Hi students, welcome to Standard 7 Science online class. I hope all are safe and fine at home by the grace of God. Children, today also we are going to continue the first unit, children, heat and temperature. Okay, so today we are going to learn the numerical problems also. Before that we are going to learn, do you know, okay, and see children, three scales. One is Celsius scale, another one is Fahrenheit scale, the last one is Kelvin scale, already you know. Now, the most of the people in the world, we are using only Celsius scale to children to measure the temperature of the day-to-day purpose. And see, Kelvin scale has been designed in such a way it is not only the absolute temperature scale, children, okay, but also 1 degree Celsius changes to 1 Kelvin change, okay. And here this makes the conversion from the Celsius to absolute temperature of the scale. That means 0 Kelvin. So just additions or subtraction of constant value, children, Kelvin scale value, constant value 273.15. That is, you are writing the formula for Kelvin scale formula. Okay, 273.15 plus Celsius. And but as United States, they are prefer the Fahrenheit scale only. Okay, all the United States. The problem is converting Fahrenheit to absolute scale. It is not easiest way to convert the Fahrenheit to Kelvin scale, children. It is too difficult, children. To sort out this problem, they are using the Rankine scale. That is the main reason, children. Rankine, already you know, children, Rankine. He is one of the scientists, children. It named after Glasgow University engineer and physicist Rankine. Okay, was proposed 1859. It is an absolute temperature scale. That means Kelvin scale has a property of having 1 degree, or R mean Rankine, okay, is equal to 1 degree Fahrenheit range. It will be changing. Fahrenheit users who need to work with absolute temperature can be converted to the Rankine scale. So they are using the Fahrenheit scale, it will be changing easily. They are converting to the Rankine scale, children. So this is the formula for Rankine children. Sometimes they are asking the 1 marks, children. Rankine scale R is equal to Fahrenheit F plus 459.69. So this is the formula for Rankine scale. Okay, this is clear to you? Fine. Now let's move for the numerical problems. Okay, children, you have to work out the problems in your rough note, children, and then afterwards you have to write in your classwork note. Okay, see the solved example. First one, how much will be the temperature? What are the things will be given? First you write. So Fahrenheit is given 68 degree Fahrenheit, and Celsius and Kelvin. They are converting Celsius and Kelvin scale. So temperature is in Fahrenheit only they given. Fahrenheit is equal to 68 degree Fahrenheit. So what is your question, children? Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. That is your question. Now you write the formula. You know already? Yes. Formula is F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. C by 5. So you have to substitute the Fahrenheit value, children. F 68. So you have to substitute the value 68 minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. Okay, this step is over. This is clear to you, children. Yes. So the next step, what, children? You have to giving the minus 68 minus 32 what? 68 minus 32 how much? 36 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. This step is forward, children. Fine. So here now you have to calculate the C. So you have to write the C upsides, children. See here. You have to take the C is equal to, okay, they are putting the cross multiplication, children. Okay, 5 into, okay, 36 by 9. So again you are putting the 36 by 9. How much, children? Only they are writing how much? 9 times 9 one time. So this is 4 times. Okay. So 5 4s are 20. So finally you get the answer is what Celsius scale? 20 degree Celsius. This is your final answer, children. So Celsius you have to calculate. So next one you have to calculate the Kelvin scale formula. Only one answer will be find out. And the next answer is you have to calculate the Kelvin scale. So Kelvin is equal to formula what, children? Yeah, 273.15 plus C or C plus 273.15 is the same formula, children. Okay, and you write the formula Kelvin scale K is equal to C plus 273.15. So is equal to, already you have to calculate the Celsius C. Okay, so you have to substitute the C value 20 plus 273.15. We add a 273 plus 20, how much? 293. Okay, plus 15. This is your final answer for Kelvin scale, children. So that's the temperature of Celsius scale. How much you have to calculate before? 20 degrees Celsius. And Kelvin scale now you have to calculate 293.15. That's all over, children. This is clear to children? Fine. So first you have to calculate the Celsius scale, and then you have to write the Kelvin scale formula. Then afterwards you have to substitute the Celsius values, plus finally you have to find out the Kelvin scale. This is clear to children? Yeah. So this is also the same. So at what temperature will be the value will be the same in Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. Here you write the Fahrenheit and Celsius will be the common. We are using the formula, children, already you know. F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. And suppose you write the changes the formula, children, because you are telling Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius. Here the first questions you have to again read, children. Celsius and Fahrenheit will be the same. Same means you are write the Fahrenheit to Celsius. You are putting the changing the Fahrenheit to Celsius scale. So same means what? You have to changing the Fahrenheit to Celsius scale. So again you have to F is equal to C, the same. Okay, and C minus 32, again you are putting the changes. Okay, so here you are putting the cross multiplication, children. You know the cross multiplication? Yes. C minus 32 into 5. Here 9C. Okay. And then you have to giving the value of 5C. Okay. Again putting the multiplication, children. Yeah. 5C minus 32 into 5. How much? 160 is equal to 9 into C. 9C. So here 9C here. 5C here. Okay, 9C minus 5C, how much? 4C is equal to minus 160. So you need what? C is equal to F, you have to find out. Okay, 4 and divided C is equal to minus 160 divided by 4. So you have to strike out the, okay, and finally you are getting what? Minus 40. Okay, so here C is equal to F is equal to minus 40. So the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit will be the same. Okay, the value is minus 40. This is clear to children? Yes. Children, so here see the third one, convert the given temperature. Okay, they're giving 8 problems. Okay, first one, second one, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 problems they are given, children. I'll give you the answers, children. Okay, photocopy, I'll give you the answers. So these answers you have to write, you are going to write in your classwork note as well as in your science book also. Okay, science book you are writing the short answers below. They are giving a white pages. Dear children, I'll give you the photocopy, children. You also write the textbook as well as you are write the classwork itself. Okay, this is clear to you, children? Yes, it's very simple problem, children. So many times they are asking 2 marks and 5 marks also. Sometimes they are asking the 5 marks means they are giving 2 or 3 problems. Okay, and 2 marks means they are giving only 1 problems. This is clear to you, children? Fine. Okay, children, this lesson is over. And see the important definitions, children. This is your points to remember, children. See the first one. This is your definition of temperature, children. Sometimes asking, okay, what is temperature or define temperature, you have to write. Okay, the measurement of warmness or coldness of a substance is known as its temperature. Okay, this is your very important definition, children. And see the second question, children. Write the 3 units. Okay, this is your question. Write the answer. There are 3 units which are used to measure the temperature. Yeah, already you know, children. One is degree Celsius, next one is Fahrenheit, and third one is Kelvin. So these are all the 3 important units. Okay, Tell me children, degree, Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. This is clear to you children? Yes. And see the third one, the SI unit of temperature. You know children already? I told you no, this is your SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Kelvin, Kelvin. So you have to write the capital letter. Use only capital letter, capital K. Okay, you know already Celsius capital C, degree Celsius, and degree Fahrenheit already you know. So this is the SI unit of temperature only. Okay, Kelvin. And see the fourth one children. In a thermometer, you are using the three different types of thermometer children. Clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer and then digital thermometer. So when liquid gets heat, you give some amount of temperature, it will be heating. It expands and when it is cooled down, it contracts. Already you know children, it is used to measure the temperature. Then only you have to use the temperature easily. And see the fifth point children, relation between Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale is. So this is the common formula children, relation between Fahrenheit scale to Celsius scale or Celsius scales to Fahrenheit scale. Any other options but you write the same formula. Okay, F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. All the letters are capital. Okay, write the numbers correctly. This is your common formula children. And see the downside children, another formula. Yes, K is equal to, K means what? Kelvin. Kelvin scale. K is equal to 273.15 plus C. C means Celsius. Okay, this is clear to, this is another formula, Kelvin formula. So you have Celsius is given, you have to calculate the Kelvin scale. Sometimes Kelvin is given, you have to calculate the Celsius scale. This is clear to you. So this is very important two formulas children. Okay, sometimes asking 2 marks and 5 marks also. This is clear to you children? Fine. Children, I'll give you some question answers children. Write neatly in your classwork note, okay? And complete your assignment report in the group without fail. Thank you children. God bless you.